Greetings viewers. We have put in much effort, research and resources to create this video. If you would like to see more content like this, please consider subscribing to our channel. We would appreciate your opinion in the comments section following each video, and look forward to hearing your thoughts. Today, we will explore ways to prevent the need for liver transplants and gain knowledge on the topic. Preventing the need for a liver transplant involves taking steps to protect the health of your liver and catching any potential issues early on. Some ways to avoid the need for a liver transplant include 1. Avoiding risky behaviors. The most common cause of liver disease is viral hepatitis, which is spread through contact with infected blood or body fluids. To prevent hepatitis, it is important to practice safe sex, avoid sharing needles, and get vaccinated against hepatitis A and B. Additionally, excessive alcohol consumption is a leading cause of liver disease and should be avoided. 2. Eating a healthy diet. A diet that is high in fruits, vegetables, and lean protein can help to maintain a healthy liver. It is also important to limit processed foods and added sugars, as these can contribute to obesity and other health conditions that can harm the liver. 3. Maintaining a healthy weight. Obesity is a risk factor for liver disease, as it can lead to fatty liver disease and other conditions that can harm the liver. Losing weight and maintaining a healthy weight through a combination of diet and exercise can help to protect the liver. 4. Exercising regularly. Regular physical activity can help to improve overall health and may also help to protect the liver. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. 5. Managing chronic health conditions. Chronic health conditions, such as diabetes and high blood pressure, can increase the risk of liver disease. It is important to manage these conditions through a combination of medication, diet, and exercise to reduce the risk of liver damage. 6. Avoiding harmful medications and chemicals. Certain medications and chemicals can be harmful to the liver. It is important to be aware of the potential side effects of any medications you take and to avoid exposure to chemicals such as pesticides and solvents that can be toxic to the liver. 7. Monitoring your liver function. Regular checkups with your healthcare provider and getting routine blood tests can help to detect liver disease early on. This includes testing for viral hepatitis, monitoring liver enzymes, and getting regular imaging tests, such as ultrasound or CT scan if there is a suspicion of liver disease. 8. Getting vaccinated. Vaccination against hepatitis A and B can help to prevent infection and reduce the risk of liver disease. 9. Staying away from illegal drugs. Illegal drugs, such as cocaine and heroin, can damage the liver and can lead to liver disease or liver failure. 10. Reducing stress. Stress can have a negative impact on overall health, including the liver. Finding ways to manage stress, such as exercise, meditation, and therapy, can help to reduce the risk of liver disease. 11. Avoiding exposure to toxins. Exposure to toxins such as pesticides, solvents, and heavy metals can damage the liver. To avoid exposure to these toxins, it is important to be aware of potential sources of exposure in your home and work environment and take steps to reduce or eliminate exposure. 12. Managing liver disease early on. If you are diagnosed with liver disease, it is important to work closely with your healthcare provider to manage the condition and slow down the progression of the disease. This includes adhering to a medication regimen, making lifestyle changes, and getting regular checkups. 13. Seeking out specialized care. If you are at high risk for liver disease, or have been diagnosed with a liver condition, it is important to seek out a liver specialist or transplant center that has experience in treating the specific condition you have. 14. Considering a liver healthy lifestyle. Incorporating a liver-healthy lifestyle in your day-to-day routine is key to avoiding transplantation. This includes eating a balanced diet, exercising regularly, getting enough sleep, and avoiding smoking or excessive alcohol consumption. In conclusion, preventing the need for a liver transplant is crucial for maintaining good health and avoiding the risks and complications associated with transplantation. By following a healthy lifestyle, managing chronic health conditions, avoiding risky behaviors and toxins, and monitoring liver function, individuals can take steps to protect their liver and avoid the need for transplant. What did you learn in this video? Please leave a comment below, and I will answer it. Also, let me know what topic you would like us to cover in the next video.